heart's got this feeling. My eyes, my eyes, my eyes, there must be more for seeing. And I know.
We've conquered becoming puppy parents, buying our first house, and today we'll be able to add newlyweds. I can't wait to officially call you my wife, even though I've been calling you that for the last 2 years. Madison, you'll forever be my always, and I love you so much.
It's my great joy to introduce you for the first time to Mr. and Mrs. Garett.